Good morning, good morning! For today's video guys, we're heading to the house of Sophia. We're gonna buy a fish. Good morning Philippines and hello world. This is the little Gab Gab. Hi na hi. In the market to buy a pork and fish. We're actually waiting for Madeline, you know. We're going in the beach later, and also enjoy your life, my friend. Life is too short, so enjoy. Disney princess. Gangster. Here's your Madeline, your Muddy. She's ready to go in the beach, to go swim. My God. Cute, oy. Ay, relatag 5 be.
Ano ka madi meeting bio?
Pero yan na lang ya kanila ipalitan pa nito. 5?
Pila niya? Tagdis?
Tagpila ni? So we're here to Vegetables Girl.
Uy, go.
Ha? Ano siya nag-i? Asan na si Crystal?
Kita mo lang.
We're visiting Crystal guys. She's there ay.
Oyster lang. Kuan sa pa. O sala.
Paminta. Oh, nanam block. Pwede half?
Pwede ka ng 1/4.
Ala. Ay, kuya ni mo tiblo ay.
Tawagan na lang.
Sa kinilaw. Suka, pag sunog ba mo?
Kuan nila suka. Jeep lang.
Tipid.
Budgeting. Kana ra?
Kana na.
Sila? Naitambutang sa pansit no?
Oh.
Is there?
Yeah. Oh. Ano din? Okay na ni? Ha? Ayo ha. May buang.
Ay, sorry.
Mamalikan mo de. Diba? Kanang video, kanang separate the chopping board. Ano sana? The cutting board of the meat and the cutting board of the fish daw ba ko na. Separated ba daw ko na siya kay there's a contamination ba daw ko no katsar da contamination.
Ano yan? In the Philippines, no contamination.
No contamination.
Pag luya-luya, kay what na?
Do you have more cutting board? Can I have some cutting board?
Asa na pa to, Dan? I don't know.
And no cooks.
Saan ay lang ato?
Awan higda.
Mabash na sadta!
Okay, here is the
So
knife.
this is pork kinilaw.
Pork na, kinilaw.
Pork kinilaw.
Guys, don't bash our video, guys.
Jan.
It's kinda clean.
Oh, it's wood tantaran.
Ayaw lang, ipakita niyo yan, i-zoom.
Uyan ninyo, guys. Uy, bash na lagi.
Kira ka kayo. Thank you for suggesting. Guys, I have my Amazon wishlist na. Just visit my channel. By the way, thank you for suggesting. I follow your suggest, oy. Unsa naman ay?
Ano yung anong dahil man yung ilang...
Did you wash your hands? Yes, we wash our hands yesterday. The other day. Bidyo me!
Video me! Hi guys, for today's video, we are going... Kaya mas video eh.
Please watch, comment, like, and subscribe.
Dito yung pa.
To subscribe our channel.
Dali dyan.
Gito yok pa, gito yok. Sakto. Ang sa daro din kaburo ng.
Save lang para maharagdaghan basta kanon mo chay. Mahalagag may basta kanon
Chada.
Reklamo na sad ni sila ron. Flo, did you wash your hands? Yes, of course. Yesterday.
Reklamo na
Always give comment ba? Did you wash your hands, Flo? Oh, for someone who's asking if I wash my hands, yes, Dai. Don't forget your viewers is English. This time. Don't be too bored of our video. We're just showing the reality. The life of Flo, Madeline, and Sophia. Too much supplies right now. Now, not tomorrow.
Nanibalit ang tigkuha na video.
Ikaw na ang kuan, new videographer. Jad, you video me. You video me. Pastor, my love. What else? What else?
What else?
What else?
May bumbay ani?
Daray. Nagit.
Shout out to Ate Fatima.
Shout out, Ate Ay! Shout out because shout out to my love. Budgeting of water.
Nasa guys yung mauna na eh.
This is the vegetables for the pancit. Pancit
Oh guys,
is like...
ay! Grabe kami kalimpiada guys.
Nagbasa-basa. Nagbasa-basa ko ng buha.
Boom, Garlic! Woo!
Ano namang inahak?
Onion! Ang onion ipalupad!
Flying onion!
Awa guys!
Grabe sa baka.
Hi guys, for today's video guys, we're gonna cook some, we're gonna chop the pork, the vegetables, and also we're gonna do a, unsa gud tawag ana sa kinilaw? I don't know what we call that. I don't know what is kinilaw means, but we're gonna put a sugar in the fish and also a vegetables. Sugar, not sugar, vinegar. I mean, charot. Here's the fish. We call it bulinaw. Bulinaw. Pia is cutting the pork right now. Now, not tomorrow, not yesterday.
Nabatin na po mi guys.
Here's the vegetables. This one, this is 20 pesos. There's a mixed carrots. It's mixed veggies, which is the bell pepper, carrots, cabbage, and also a beans.
And bell pepper.
Yes, I told it already. I said it already.
Mommy, chill.
And here's the bulina. We're gonna kilo it. Kilo. I don't know what's the English of that. The pork.
It's working.
She will fry that first.
Mamuhunas na rin dagat.
Nanang ni guys eh. Uy, it's already washed.
Bilangaw man siya guys. Wash.
The beans, the carrots, the bell pepper.
Mantong dagat pa rin.
Here's our chef cook.
Asa dagat? Oh. Nakadagan na magbitbiton ni, kadagan magdalhon.
Di mo gasi sa ning isda di. Gasi isda. Guys, don't be bored ha. Please watch. Janjan is not working right now. Right now, not tomorrow. Because our chef cook is on duty.
The master chef.
The master chef is. Hoy, I work. I'm not lazy. Sometimes only. I help them, okay?
Si Tom and Angela.
She put a soy sauce. More soy sauce. Water. She put a lot of water so that it's not salty, and also she need to boil that first before she put the pancit canton.
Medyon. Pare.
That's our motorbike. It's broken because Janjan was accident lang, no? Has been accident a couple 2 months 2 months ago or 1 month ago. Yeah. The brake rod. It lost the brake rod. Brake rod. She will wash the fish. That's the fish. That's our modeling. Cute.
Madeline, the bouncer.
Ala. Ala, ka smiling face naman na niya mong bebe. Oy. It's already boiling. It's already boiling, and after that, kumana. Did you put the seasoning, Pia? She didn't put the seasoning yet because it's not the time. She get a chili. Chili banana. It's salt. It is a salt.
Mate, i-wash ko ani bi. Basta yung malunod niya ikinalasan.
Dira lang ay.
Sino siya kupos yung hubag eh?
Yummy?
I don't know.
Ang kanang. Uy.
What are you gonna put? The vermicelli. Not vermicelli, it's vermicelli.
Ting siguro nagkuha na down ko ayan ha.
Lima. Parang dito na.
Noon.
It's like a sotanghon that we eat in the kanang like a cup noodles, right? Cup noodles, no? Same as that.
Oh, diabo nang madi ang.
Uy, Madi, don't throw the cabbage. Madi!
Contamination na, mag-ferment.
Oh, oy!
Magdikit ka na.
Oh no! Oh no, 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 no!
Oh no, don't bash me, guys. I love you all.
Namadipres, alagi ka kadiyot.
That's okay na lang, oy. You will not be depressed if you have the money. No?
If you're already earning.
Because money is the problem. So now Pia is mikos-mikosing the pancit. So it's Pia's mom. Hello guys, so Pia is washing the cabbage. And lonod-lonod into the pan. And after this guys, she's going to mikos-mikos. Berna's here is riding her motorbike. So pretty. Kagwapa oy. Asa day mo? They're going to school na guys. With her mama.
I-bash niya ko.
Put a oyster.
She's going to put the oyster.
Oyster sauce.
And
also the macaroni, which is the sadag. Sa tawagan na English, ana? Kuha mo na, ang paminta. Sa tawagan na, adi?
Para sa mga dito, signature.
Black paper. Black pepper.
nice ang white pipa.
I don't like
Okay
the
naman
white.
sa
I don't like the white paper man lang.
And there the mag-ina. The mother and son.
Pepper and the oyster. Uy, oy! Uy, ay, hi guys, may pag guys, guys, ha? Hi guys, ha? Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys, may channel.
Taro nga, wait.
Oo nga.
Anong diyan ay?
May channel.
For today's video, guys, Ate Pia is cooking a pancit.
Pumpkin cookie.
It is not tasting. It's eating. Look. Madeline is hungry. The more you hungry, the more you kanang eat. It's like in life, the more you hungry for something, the more you something like you survive or you keep trying in life.
Try more. Very yummy. Good, very good cook. Yeah.
Sheep cook.
Yeah.
This is the pancit.
From US.
This is the pancit. Ching 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 ching. Ching ching ching. It's not tasting, guys. It's eating already.
Yeah. I'm already hungry.
So guys, we're going to the beach.
Dumugdumog sad. Guys, padumugdumog guys.
Lapok kayo guys, no? Ano sa English lapok?
It's so muddy. No? Muddy. Okay. Matchmaking. Akila. Welcome to the sea.
Look what Gab-Gab's doing, guys. Today the weather is not really good, but still there's a sun, and it's a sunny day, but the wave is not nice. Or look the wave, guys. Yes.